waiting time? Why is it so important to have a waiting period and whatever? If you get a legal insurance that says, listen here, there's no waiting time.
It's a catch.
There's
always a
something,
catch.
yeah. So why? So I want today's session just that we explain it a little bit, that people understand it. What do you understand about a waiting time?
You cannot just get covered immediately. You have to wait for a future.
Yes. So basically, people come and something happened at home, and there was a little bit of a family feud there, and it happened, and then they join a legal insurance company, and then 3 months later, or 4 or 5 months later, then they get arrested. Now they think because they've been a member for 6 months, they can now claim, but this actually happened before they were a member. So we're looking at the date of the event. It's so important that people understand that you can't join and think, I'm going to trick this insurance. And it goes for all legal insurance companies, and it's a standard all over the insurance companies. It goes, you can't go and be in an accident and then join motor vehicle insurance and say, please fix my car for me.
So
It doesn't work like
It's
that.
the same with medical aid.
yes, and funeral policies. I can't join Old Mutual with my dad has passed on already, and then after 3 months I want to claim for that. I mean, come on.
Well, you need to take out your tonsillitis. Listen, I want to join before tomorrow. You can't do it.
Yeah.
No. So then there's certain issues like your divorce, your maintenance, and those things that we've got an extended waiting period for. You can actually, most you're in a fight with your husband about the child, and you don't get enough maintenance, so now you want to do that. Now, maintenance with SmartLegal is only covered if the other party has got a lawyer. We're not paying for, otherwise we'll go bankrupt. I mean, if you've got a mother with 7 children, and you've got a maintenance benefit, she'll be in court every 3 months or every 2 months claiming maintenance for a new one. She's got seven husbands. It's not like the man with 7 wives. It's like the wife with 7 husbands. Okay, so maintenance, divorce. You can also know that. Listen, there's something happening. So we've got 4 uncontested divorces. Now the difference between uncontested and contested, don't know. Do you know what that is? Okay, so you've got your uncontested divorces. Means you and the husband and the wife actually come together, and they say we're going to settle, and they say we're not going to fight about anything. So they come and say, please just put it through court, and we draft the papers, and that's an uncontested divorce. But as soon as they start to fight about something, then it becomes a contested divorce. Now the waiting period is different for both scenarios. The uncontested, there's a 6-month waiting period. The contested, there's a 12-month waiting period. And we're going with that in our new legal plans from Bright as well. So that's waiting period. It's so important that people understand that, listen, we're not trying to be funny, and we're not trying to exclude you, and we're not trying to not help you. But what can we do for that client? Is as soon as you join, from day one, you get a dedicated private lawyer that tells you, this is the best way, what's your facts, how is it going to work, where are you going to work, I can help you to do a divorce on your own, sir. I can help you and your wife to get a settlement. We can do that for you. And again, like last time we discussed it, it's a real lawyer. It's not somebody that is, I've read a book or two and I've done an internal course or whatever. It's a real lawyer. So 3 things of our lawyers that we've got in the office. They must have been at the CCMA, they must have issued a summons and actually practiced at magistrate court. They might actually had to do some criminal stuff. And they should be qualified in the High Court. They should have a certificate to say, I am a lawyer. So next time you talk to your insurance company that's maybe not SmartLegal, ask them, where's your papers? I mean, okay. Anything about waiting period that we need to clarify? I mean, okay, look, I forgot. Waiting period waiver.
Well, it depends. If you are on another insurance, and if you have an existing legal insurance, then you don't have a waiver. We put you through immediately.
Yeah, there's no waiting period.
Yes, there's no waiting period, but you need to still provide us with proof that
Yeah.
you have not cancelled that legal, the previous legal insurance that you have. Then we can put you through to.
I'm very wary, and when somebody comes and says, listen, yeah, they want to apply, you actually talk to a lot of these clients. You want a waiting period waiver because I'm switching now from a different insurer to SmartLegal, because SmartLegal is just, okay, shouldn't say that, please. We good. So you want to switch now because you've tried the rest, and yeah, Bright is coming, and now we're giving you a real lawyer from day one, no conditions. We're making sure that you get real protection. So now you want to switch. I'm very wary to tell people, listen, you cancel other insurance, because I don't want people to lose cover. Because I mean, if you cancel one medical aid and switch over to another medical aid, that first medical aid might just become sticky. Or, you know, it might just become saying that, listen, you're no longer a member or a client of ours, so we're not going to pay for your matter that happened a year ago. So we always ask the clients, listen, are you sure you don't have any existing claims? Otherwise, we rather let the client benefit from having existing insurance before we do that. I think that's very important. That we don't say, we're all in it, just join, and then at the end of the day, the client is missing out. The client has to pull out money from his pocket, eh? How would you feel?
No, we don't want that.
How would you feel if the insurance company is taking advantage of you like that?
No, that's not right.
So that's not the way we do things. Okay. Well, that's the waiting period. Anything else on the waiting period? I think we can ask our members and our prospective members, send us your questions. I mean, it would be nice. It would be nice to discuss the questions. Do that. Okay, great. Thanks for joining.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.